you will be able to stake your MON when it airdrops, and there is a potential airdrop from these games, these basically projects, which is quite insane. Hey guys, a huge update about the MON token from the Pixelmon NFT project. And first of all, if you want to earn more points, check my referral code. When you sign up, use my referral code. The link is in the description. You will get more points. And how you get points is, again, first of all, you can spin the wheel every day and get more points. These are random, so maybe sometimes you can get 100 points, 150 points, 3000 points. And these are some simple tasks that you can do, and you will get around 12,000 points from the beginning. And if you use my referral code, you will get even more points. So this is quite easy. So you just create an account on the Pixel Pals. The Pixel Pals is the farming game where you can basically farm the Pixelmon tokens as well. And right here you can see my habitat value. And the habitat value will basically determine how many MON tokens you receive. Looks like I have some harvesting to do. But this is the first way you can earn MON tokens. This is the second way. You basically just earn some mission points, and later those will turn into a MON tokens. So basically you just have to follow on Twitter, you have to tweet and like some tweets to get these points. So this is really easy. You have to link wallet, follow MON protocol on X on the Twitter. That's how you basically get points on this website. The link is in the bio. Another way, again, is playing this Pixel Pals game. The link is also in the description. And what you do, my advice to get more habitat points and more experience is first of all, buy this Pixel Pass. This means you will open 2 times more boxes, and this basically costs $9.99. So I think it's worth the investment. And you will be able to open 2 times more boxes later on, 4 times, like 4 boxes instead of 2. And why this is important is because, for example, you open the box and you get things like tables, bushes, treadmills. For example, this treadmill gives me around 300 habitat points. And again, habitat points means a bigger MON token rewards afterwards when the token is airdropped. Another way you can get more habitat and more experience points to get more boxes is basically I will harvest my cabbages, and I will show you. Here you can see I can plant, for example, cabbage. It will take 4 hours. Carrot 8 hours, tomato 12 hours, so on. Blueberry, and right here you can see, for example, blueberry takes 24 hours, 84 points. It is more valuable to harvest these, for example, cabbages, because you can harvest them more often throughout the day. So you basically get more points from growing these cabbages. But if you don't have a lot of time every day, you can just grow these blueberries, and it basically takes around 5 minutes daily to do these tasks. So this is really worth time doing, because I think the airdrop will be insane. And why I am bullish is, look at this tweet. So basically one of the team members said that every single partnership means token airdrop if that project TGEs for MON stakers. So you will be able to stake your MON when it airdrops, and there is a potential airdrop from these games, these basically projects, which is quite insane. And as I have said many times, this 2024 is the airdrop season. Airdrops are, I think, the alpha of this bull run right now. It probably will change, but right now the airdrops is the alpha. And the best thing is that we are still early. The Pixel Pals game basically started like 7 days ago, and it is still going for 40 or 50 days, so you can farm and earn those habitat points, as well as these MON protocol, basically these simple quest social media tasks to earn your mission points. And again, use my referral code if you want to get more points. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming alpha, any upcoming NFT airdrop or crypto alpha, press the subscribe, press that notification bell so every time I upload, you get that notification instantly and you don't miss out on any valuable alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.